In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sheets best practices for data integrity, efficiency, and collaboration. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with how you structure your data. Keep your raw data tidy. That means one continuous table with no empty rows or columns breaking it up. Each row should represent a single observation, and each column should represent a single variable. This tidy setup unlocks reliable sorting, filtering, pivot tables, and charts without surprises. Avoid merged cells inside data ranges because they can break formulas and disrupt sorting. If you love merged cells for presentation, reserve them for titles on separate summary sheets, not in the raw dataset. For numbers to behave like numbers, don't mix units or notes in the same cells. Keep text like currency symbols or kilogram out of numeric cells. Instead, put units in the column header and add a dedicated comments column for notes. While you're organizing, use descriptive, consistent names for sheets, columns, and named ranges. A name like sales_data_2024 is far more intuitive than sheet 1 and makes formulas easier to read and maintain. Now, let's talk about formulas and analysis. Separate raw data from analysis and presentation. Keep a dedicated input tab as your single source of truth, and build pivot tables, charts, and summaries in other tabs. This keeps analysis flexible and protects your original data from accidental edits. When applying formulas down a column, use a single ARRAYFORMULA in the header rather than dragging a formula thousands of rows. It improves performance, stays consistent, and scales as your data grows. To prevent errors at the point of entry, use data validation to limit inputs to drop-down lists, numbers only, or specific ranges. And when formulas might fail, wrap them with IFERROR so you show a blank or a friendly N.A. instead of disruptive error messages that can confuse stakeholders and break downstream logic. For collaboration and usability, protect critical data and formulas with protect sheets and ranges. That way, collaborators can work confidently without overwriting key cells. Document your work by adding comments to complex formulas or header cells, explaining logic and data definitions. This makes handoffs smooth and helps future you remember why something was built a certain way. When you need to sort or filter while others are working, use filter views so your view doesn't affect anyone else. Lastly, take advantage of the Explore tool in the bottom right for quick, AI-driven insights and basic summaries without building everything by hand. Follow these practices, and your spreadsheets will stay reliable, fast, and ready to scale as your needs grow. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.